What's going on, guys? So, I'm in this fourth video, third or fourth video. I'm gonna be talking about my friggin' Guggen baits. So, fishing with Norm. If you watch this video, fingers crossed you watch it. And Norm, I will tag you in this video. And Norm, I am subbed to your channel, of course. So Norm, I've got a couple of Guggen baits and also Guggen Squad baits, like some lures. I've got these, the Guggen baits. These are the Bandito bugs. These are actually my personal favorite soft plastic baits. Now moving on to the lures. I've got the clickbait, which is the vibrating jig. The Guggen Squad clickbait, which is the vibrating jig, Norm. And then I've got the Guggen Squad banger. It's a lipped crankbait, Norm. And obviously you know, Norm. And then Norm, if you see this video and if you hear the background noise, Wyatt, come here. That's my little bro. So Norm, if you ever go on a trip from Tallahassee, that's my little brother. Say hi, YY.
Hi.
So. Yeah, Norm, if you ever come down to South Carolina from Tallahassee, please, I do actually want to collaborate and maybe hang out, go fishing somewhere, you know? Bass fishing, you know? And then I've got the Guggen Squad mini banger. And I'll give you a very quick rundown. Got, normal normal crankbait, lipped crankbait, I mean. I've got these, and I've got the firework jig, I mean. And I've got this, which I call a Wyatt jig, since it's blue. And my brother's favorite color is blue. And then I've got the clickbait, some of my soft plastics, some more right there and there. This one's actually melted. And then I've got the young crawdaddies, and I've got some more crawdads. I call these the Wyatt crawdaddies because they have blue in them. And then I've got the Big Bite baits. Big Bite baits Pro Series. They're also crawdaddies. And then I've got the 10,000 Fish Yodo worms. Tickle tails, actually. These are actually some of my. Oh, they smell the worst. These smell the absolute worst out of all of my baits. And then I've got quite a bit of Zoom artificial baits. Starting out with like the shortest baits, like my first ever baits that I got for Zoom. Lizard bullfrogs. These are better than salt lizard bullfrogs. These are like some of my first ever baits. And I've got the Zoom Super Salt plus U-tail chartreuse pepper. I've used these, but I haven't caught anything on them. And then I've got the Better Than Salt Mag 2. What's up, Lil B? Here's my Lil B. What? You're goofy. Then I've got the Better Than Salt Mag 2 Tequila Sunrise. They're U-tails. Then I've got 2 bags.
You can't take the whole box in the bathroom. Just take it.
I've got 2 bags of the original Trick Worm Green Pumpkin. I've got 2 bags of them. And then, Norm, my favorite, Guggen Baits, Bandito bugs. One of the main reasons why I got these is mainly because, oh god, my headlamp's getting warm. My headlamp's getting warm. So yeah, Norm, the main reason why I got this is because I had to cop some, I had to get some. Since, Norm, I do watch your videos a lot when I'm bored. And like, Norm, you actually do give me quite a few of video ideas. Since I do watch a lot of your videos, Norm, I do watch a crap ton of your videos. I've been subscribed to your channel, Norm, for I want to say 2 years, 2 or 3 years. I don't know. No, 3. No, 4 years. 4 years now. Yeah, I've been subscribed to your channel for 4 years, Norm. And yeah, so Norm, thank you for all the video ideas. And like, I'm not stealing any of your ideas. And like, I do upload some fishing videos. Like, the main videos I upload are like fishing. Fishing, very rarely. Actually, I never upload hunting videos. I upload fishing videos, sports videos, music videos, gaming videos, and also fishing videos, because Norm, I do like to fish a lot, just like you. So yeah, Norm, like I was saying. So Norm, if you ever come to South Carolina, please let me know. And like, I have been wanting to collaborate with you for like 5 years, 4 years, I don't know. Like, I don't know how long I've been wanting to collaborate with you, but I know I've been wanting to collaborate for years now. And yeah, I will also show you my rod and reel. But I do gotta go outside for it to be able to show you my rod and reel. So yeah, I'm recording on an old freaking webcam. So yeah, sorry that my headlamp is dim. Like, this is as bright as it can get. And like, there's where my kitchen is. There's my dining room. And there's my backyard. Here's my truck. That's fine. This truck has been in 2 accidents? 2 or 3. So yeah. Oh yeah, and also, Norm, I've got that on my rod. And then I've got the Zubco Hotcast. It's a 6-foot rod. And then I've got a Zubco Open Face. Thought I heard a noise from right there behind me. From right there. Okay, hold on. So yeah, I'm gonna go see what I just saw. Hello? Hello? Okay. I don't really trust it. But luckily, I've got my slingshot. And I've got one BB. But I also do have some backup. These are actual lead bullets. Like I heard something coming from right, Oh, shoot. So, yeah, I know I probably showed the license plate. You can probably see how cold it is outside. So, yeah, I'm gonna look up what I just heard freaking whistling. So, it's... What is the... in South Carolina. So that's the temp. That's the current temp right now. Oh yeah, there's my neighbor's house. So yeah. So it is 47 degrees here in Aiken, South Carolina. Well, actually where I'm at right now. And so Norm, I was looking for bands to my slingshot. I cut myself on a pipe on my bed. And that's what it did to me right there. And yeah. So yeah, it's peaceful right here on the street that I live on. Cause like literally that street right up there. Literally that street up there is literally like that's Richland Avenue. You probably see the freaking steam or whatever it is. Oh, there's a cop right there. So yeah, so that's literally the busiest part. So like right there, I gotta go that way to get to my school. So I come up so like I would pull out. So I'd pull out of my driveway here, and then I would turn down here, and I would go up that hill, turn down that way again, and I'd keep going straight to Southside, Aiken, South Carolina. There's a chopper somewhere. Like a freaking... It's like right... It's like right in there. So that's Star. But yeah, I'm gonna grab my slingshot and I'm gonna grab my slingshot, close up the truck bed, and I'm gonna go inside. So it's freaking cold out here and I'm shirtless. And let's hope I don't freaking die from freaking tripping on the stairs. Also, Norm, this video is actually dedicated to you. And everybody that watches this video, go subscribe to Fishing with Norm. And so yeah, later.